How to get $100 Uber Eats promo code. Welcome to the channel and let's start with the video. First and foremost, open a web browser on a PC or on a mobile device. Search for couponfollow.com. You will find various brands dealing with the promo code and offers. To search for Uber Eats on the search bar, search for Uber Eats. And if you are searching for Australian, tap on the particular one or just tap on Uber Eats. You will find various of coupon code that you can tap and explore. You can also enter email address and tap on Get Alert to never miss out from one. Select a promo code and tap on Copy or Redeem at Uber Eats to use it for instance. Now once you have landed on the official web page of Uber Eats, you have to order up first and foremost using your Uber Eats. So make sure that you are logged into your account. Then, when you are purchasing a food item, at the very end in the checkout box, you will see the option of Apply a promo code. In the dialog box, simply paste the copied code or the chances of the code already being copied is there as well. So make sure to go ahead and give it a try and thank you so much for tuning in.